Tonight, we are taking a closer look at the lawsuits piling up against the City of New Albany in the dispute over the Providence Mill Dam at Silver Creek Landing. This is Wave News at 11. I'm John Bull. The Indiana Department of Natural Resources is now the latest organization taking the city to court. Wave News reporter Alina Noakes breaks down the latest.
On Thursday, the Indiana Department of Natural Resources filed both a temporary restraining order and the preliminary and permanent injunction. Both essentially act as orders to stop and reverse the City of New Albany's actions of placing a rock fill at the base of the Providence Mill Dam, actions which the state says were illegal. On August 4th, New Albany Mayor Jeff Gahan put pen to paper, issuing two executive orders, one declaring a state of emergency at the Providence Mill Dam and the other authorizing work to be done at the dam. Both orders were written and signed 2 days after the mayor announced to media that the work was already happening. The Indiana Department of Natural Resources stepped in when they learned about the work, claiming the city didn't have a permit and still doesn't. DNR first issued this ticket to Mayor Gahan on August 5th. 2 days later, the legal battle began. The basis for both of DNR's legal filings are the same. DNR says the city's work on the dam is in direct violation of Indiana's Flood Control Act, which essentially bans unpermitted changes to a floodway that would restrict it or be a danger to life, property, or the environment. City Attorney Shane Gibson told DNR the mayor acted with emergency powers and didn't need a permit. Mayor Gahan cites both a city and state code for those powers, one that allows him to declare a local disaster emergency and the other that defines what that disaster is. The mayor relies on the last definition, that the disaster is any other public calamity requiring emergency action. On that note, DNR disagrees, citing state law that allows agencies under the governor to step in and change orders in emergency situations, not consistent with the rules and regulations of the state agency. DNR emphasizes their belief that the city flagrantly disregards potential adverse effects on the floodway. They have asked a judge to order work on the rock fill to be stopped and removed altogether. We first tried asking for comment on this story from the mayor Wednesday in person and over email. Our questions went unanswered. With new litigation in the mix, we again attempted to get comment from the mayor with a visit to City Hall. At 3:15 Friday afternoon, none of the city's top officials were at work. Security at the front door told us they had all gone home for the day. Now, we followed up with another emailed request for comment. At this point, the city has not returned a response to our request for comment. A hearing for DNR's litigation has not yet been scheduled, but there is a court hearing for the mayor's ticket scheduled for August 20th. Alina Noakes, Wave News.
Alina, thank you.